Are you an animal lover, but your landlord won't let you have pets, or you happen to be allergic to all animals in the world? Well, don't worry. There's still a way to have an adventure every day and pretend like you have pets without the commitment. First things first, take advantage of what you have, even if they aren't fluffy and cute. Try playing fetch or some other fun games. But keep in mind, all animals react differently, if at all. Try watching some animal-friendly movies. The Lion King is a favorite. And don't worry if you get too into it. That just means you're having a good time. Just kidding. That was a horrible idea. I hate this part. Don't do that. Just don't do that to yourself. You can always wait for Santa to bring you your pets, or hope that they change your landlord's minds. It might take a while. You can pretend you're a world-famous artist, and anything you draw becomes real. So just draw all of your pets that you really, really want and can imagine, and everything will come true. Maybe. Take an adventure to your local pet store and pretend like you're a millionaire and you can buy whatever you want. Don't do it, little guy. It's not worth it. So that's how he got up on top of that thing. Turtle races! This is totally me. Sometimes you get stuck in a rut. Just keep trying. La! Try going bird watching in your backyard. Just be careful because you may or may not find birds. Try going on a safari, or at least a pretend safari if you don't live in Africa. Find all your favorite animals and pretend like you own them. Just be careful, some of the cute ones bite. What was that? What was that? Oh boy, snakes, 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 snakes. La 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 la, I'm on a safari. Look at all the longhorn sheep. And everyone else is on a safari too today. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of How to Have an Adventure Every Day, the Pets with No Pets edition, because I live in an apartment and I want a dog and a cat and guinea pigs and everything, but we settle with our turtles because we love them. But hopefully this gives you some ideas of how to enjoy having a pet without actually having to have a pet. and it's really sad how much fun I had making this video, because that's what I do. I go to pet stores and I go to the parks and stuff and check out the animals, and it makes me feel like I have animals without actually having to have them. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to comment and subscribe below and tell me any ideas that you have, and I'd love to take requests because I love making these videos. So I hope you enjoyed it and have a great adventure today. Bye.